Traveling to Italy is an unforgettable experience for every person. You will enjoy your time during your trip, and so you don't have to experience culture shock. Check out our important travel tips and tricks. Language: try to speak the language. Italians will be pleasantly surprised, but often they answer in English, which gives them the opportunity to practice. Siesta: some Italians still take a break during the day from 2 to 4 hours. This is a kind of tribute to the traditions of the past. Restaurants: check the price of the dish before ordering it in the restaurant. Ingredients such as fresh porcini mushrooms or similar can be a major cause of wallet money leaking when traveling to Italy. Church etiquette: make sure you dress modestly when attending church in Italy. Shoulders, knees, and belly should be covered. One of the places where you will definitely not be allowed in the inappropriate form is St. Peter's Basilica in Rome, so don't even try to go there in shorts or with an overly exposed area of skin in the chest and abdomen. Another tip when visiting museums and churches: turn off your mobile phone or put it on vibration, do not come there with food, and try to be quiet. Social norms: Italians usually dress very formally, using simple outerwear, flip-flops and sandals, but only for the beach or pool, and not for the streets, restaurants or shops. They are also not used to wearing jeans in church or a fine restaurant. So, if you want to adjust when traveling to Italy, take smart clothes out of your suitcase for important hikes. And in other cases, you can get by with a casual style of clothing. The famous Italian double kiss on the cheek also has a few rules to be aware of. This is usually done between friends and family. More air kiss on the right cheek and then on the left. Among male friends and relatives in Italy, hugs are quite acceptable.